I'm going to run a little project on my CNC today. Oh, not this one. This one. Okay, I'm going to put a picture of my little project up here in the corner. That was just a little thing to help me remember all the great times I had in the spring of 2021. And before I go, I want to talk a little bit about this 3018 Pro machine. I've had a lot of people say to me, Dave, you've got a bunch of CNC machines in your shop and every single one of them is way better than this little thing. What in the heck are you doing? Why did you buy this little thing? And the reason is really pretty simple. First of all, I've seen a lot of great projects made with these things on the Facebook groups, and I figured what better way for me to figure out what the capabilities of this little machine is than to get one for myself and to run some projects on it and see what it will do. And I bought this machine from Amazon. It was a whopping $154. I also did a live stream where I did an unboxing and assembly. If you want to check that out, I'll put the link below. And then I spent another $30 buying a little bit better spindle. This is one from Jinmitsu. I'll have a link below in the description for that if you want to check that out. So that was $30. So altogether, and even after I bought a little pack of the 1/8 bits, I've got less than $200 in this whole thing here. And the reason I'm telling you all that is because I think this is a great starter machine for somebody who doesn't know a thing about CNC, but they're looking to get into the hobby. You don't have to spend the big bucks to learn how to run a CNC. Now, contrary to what a lot of the so-called experts on Facebook will tell you, I totally disagree with them, and I don't like that they steer folks away from these machines, telling you, get your second machine first, and you know, you only have a budget of $200 or $300. You need to, just wait and save up your money. And to me, I look at buying something like this for a couple $100 or even $300 or $400. It's like buying a course in how to run a CNC, because even though this thing is much smaller and not nearly as fancy as some of the other machines I have, running this thing is exactly the same as running the big ones. So if you don't know anything about CNC and you're wanting to learn how to run one before you take the big plunge, this is a great way to get your feet wet and not break the bank doing it. So anyway, just wanted to throw that out there. I'll have some links below down in the description for this machine and maybe a couple of others. and some of the other little things that I bought to use with this machine. And anyway, I guess that's going to do it for this video. Until the next one, thank you very much for watching.